Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to withdraw USDT on the TRC-20 network in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know USDT is a stablecoin that helps keep your funds steady amidst market ups and downs. The TRC-20 standard, built on the TRON blockchain, offers faster and cheaper transactions, making it a popular choice for withdrawals. Whether you're cashing out from an exchange or moving funds to your wallet, I'll walk you through the steps in a simple, straightforward way. First things first, make sure you have a TRON-compatible wallet set up, like TronLink or Trust Wallet. This is your safe haven for storing USDT. Once that's ready, log into your exchange account. Think Binance, Huobi, or wherever your USDT is held. Navigate to the withdrawal section and select USDT as the asset. Here's a key point. Double-check that the network is set to TRC-20. If it's not, you might end up with lost funds, so always verify. Next, enter the withdrawal amount. Remember, there might be minimum limits and network fees, so keep an eye on those to avoid surprises. Paste in your TRON wallet address. Never type it manually to prevent errors. Enable two-factor authentication if you haven't already. It's a game changer for security in 2025's evolving crypto landscape. Hit confirm, and you'll get a transaction summary. Review it carefully before approving. After that, sit back and wait for the blockchain to process your withdrawal. It usually takes just a few minutes, but times can vary based on network congestion. Once it's done, check your wallet to confirm the funds have arrived. And there you have it. Your USDT is now safely withdrawn. A quick tip: always use reputable platforms and keep your private keys secure to protect against scams. If you're new to this, start with small amounts to build confidence. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, smash that like button and subscribe for more crypto guides. Drop your questions in the comments below. I'll see you in the next video.